So, heto na yung hinihintay nyo. Sapagkat sobrang ang dami nag-request, nag-private message po sa akin. So, eto na, ihatid ko na sa inyo.
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So kaya na nga mga kasinyal, napanood nyo na ang malalakas na balahibo sa panahon ng full moon.
I swear to God they all